Do you know that homeownership is one of the largest sources of wealth among families? According to the National Association of Realtors, the median value of a primary residence is worth about 10 times the median value of financial assets held by families. This is because building equity through your monthly principal payments and appreciation is a critical part of homeownership that can help you create financial stability. And it's not just for the wealthy. According to data from the First American, it holds true across different income levels. So imagine yourself in 10 years from now with a home that has increased in value and a mortgage that has been paid off. The equity in your home could be worth more than you ever imagined and provide you with financial stability for your future. I am here to help you every step of the way and ensure that you make an informed decision. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your future and create financial stability through home ownership. Reach out today with any questions. I'm here to help. Have a fantastic day and week.